Kumakain ba kayo ng Adidas? Today, we are making the very popular chicken feet, yung dim sum style chicken feet. And we are preparing our chicken feet. Gagawa tayo ng Chinese style na chicken feet na paborito natin sa dim sum. And I'm just going to cook my chicken feet with a little bit of ginger, leeks, salt, pepper, and this is sugar, no? I'm putting a bit of sugar. Bakit? Para mamaya pag prito natin, maganda yung kulay niya pag brown. The sugar will allow it to caramelize beautifully in the hot oil. I will just let this cook for around 3 to 5 minutes and we will proceed to the next step. Ito siya, kaya medyo mahal siya sa dim sum dahil medyo matrabaho. This will be cooked 3 times. And now I have started by cooking our chicken feet in just a little bit of water, spices, salt, and sugar. Ito siya, we will cook for around 3 to 5 minutes, no? And we will drain out the water. It's so delicious. Ang ganda ng texture if it's cooked properly. And it's so rich in collagen. Kaya nakakabata yung chicken feet. And while this is cooking, I will prepare my other ingredients for the sauce. This is my style of preparing the chicken feet. So I have here bell peppers. Trim lang. Clean it up. Ganyan ha. And I will just trim off. We will just cut it very thinly, as thin as possible. I'll just soak it in water. I will be adding siling labuyo. Bird's eye chili. Dito labuyo, ano bang tawag dito? Parang Thai chilies to siya, actually. And I will also cut it. And ang nagbibigay ang hang dito is really the seeds. No? So, we will remove the seeds. Careful, don't rub your eyes. Masarap kasi ito pag may medyong spice ng konti. Just soak it in water. And let's make the sauce ahead of time. So I have here oyster sauce as the base, hoisin sauce for a bit of complexity and like sweetness as well, brown sugar, then soy sauce. I'm using Chinese soy sauce, 4 tablespoons. Yan. And ito, for a bit of color, ito, pangpaganda lang ng kulay, I will add ketchup. Banana ketchup. Just around 4 tablespoons of banana ketchup. Soybean paste. Kung meron kang makuhang Chinese, gamitin mo Chinese na soybean paste. But this is Korean. Yung samjang. Ito, let's just remove the scum. Yan. Lapit na to. Konti lang to. Just let it boil. Ito, this will cook for another 2 minutes. And we will heat our wok with a whole lot of oil. So, ito mga 1 litro yung gamit natin na mantika. Dapat, pag magprito ka, one hand yung inyong chicken, the other hand yung takip para protection. Are you ready? And we will add our chicken. And let it cook until golden. Galit na galit ang ating chicken feet. Yan. So, gusto natin yung effect nito para maging malachicharon. So, ito, we want our chicken feet na mag-blister. Then after, we'll soak it in cold water para maging makunat siya, maging sponge-like, medyo spongy para ma-absorb yung lahat ng sauce. So, pag kinain mo, very nice texture. Yung talaga, kung diretso mo, iba yung texture. So, the secret is really cooking it first in water. Secondly, deep frying and until it's golden, no? As it fries, hindi na siya masyadong tatalsik, no? So, take the time. And dapat yung inyong chicken feet naka-manicure. Tingnan mo, wala na siyang kuko. Dapat may nakaabang tayo na ice bath from hot to cold. Ang key natin dito is babad natin kaagad sa cold water. Ito, para mangulubot siya, no? Parang magpapuff. Let it soak mga 10 minutes. So this is a chicken that we've soaked and we will just score, no? So more sauce is absorbed into our chicken. Garlic. So we're using a head of garlic. And we are now preparing our braise for our chicken feet. Minced garlic, grated ginger, saute until it becomes very aromatic, minced onions, 4 or 5 pieces of star anise. Ito talaga yung magpapabango. Red bell peppers and chili. Black beans, tausi, fermented black beans. Anong mas masarap na chicken feet? Yung kaliwa or yung kanan? O ano, di ba? Or, ito yung question talaga natin. Anong mas masarap? Yung ganito, braised Chinese style? Or gusto niyo sa kanto, yung Adidas? O, di ba? Ihaw-ihaw. Kanya-kanyang trip. And I'm adding this to my wok. And optional, you can add your Chinese wine here if you want to add Chinese wine. Which I am doing. Kung wala, it's fine, no? Para tayong mag-aadobo, no? In a way, you just want it to stew until tender. And ito, for nice color, lalagyan ko din siya ng konting annatto oil. Oh, yan pa lang. Oh, ganda na ng kulay niya. Now, I will add my sauce. Umami rich. No, oyster sauce, soy sauce, may banana ketchup, may hoisin sauce, sugar, no? And our soybean paste. Ganda, oh. Beautiful, no? A bit of water, konting tubig. So we can braise. So we will let this simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes until it becomes thick. And I will add a bit of slurry. This is potato starch, around a tablespoon or so, to thicken our sauce. Para kapit na kapit yung ating sauce sa ating chicken feet. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. And freshly cracked black pepper. After natin siyang halu-haluin at na-achieve na natin yung tamang timpla, pinaan natin yung apoy. Let it cook low and slow para malambot hanggang sa mabuto-buto without falling apart. Hindi siya malalamog kasi pag mix ka ng mix, malalamog yung ating chicken feet. So eto, all we have to do now is wait and we will be ready to enjoy our chicken feet. Look at that, diba? Kayang-kaya pala natin gawa ng chicken feet. Look at that, diba? Oh, sumasayaw-sayaw sa lambot. It takes some skill to be able to eat this. Kung di ka sanay, maraming sayang. Pag magaling ka kumain nito, as in, walang tira. Yung buto na na konti. Mauubos ko kaya to. But look at that. Anli na anli. Hindi na ako mabibitin kumain ng chicken feet. Lagkit-lagkit ng sauce. Ganda ng kulay. And you should try this recipe. Medyo matrabaho ng konti. But it's well worth it. Flavor, inside and outside. Napakasarap talaga. And try this recipe for Chinese style braised chicken feet.